Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some brown pony beads, blue, and I have assorted rainbow. You're going to need a piece of string that measures about 20 inches, scissors, and a lighter. And we're going to start with our string, and we're going to put on one brown. We're going to take two brown. You're going to take the other side of the string and go through both of those. Grab the ends, put them together, and then pull this down to the middle. We're going to add 3 brown. We're going to take our string and go through all 3 of those. Pull the string. We're going to add 4 brown. Take the other end. Go through these beads here. Pull the ends. We're going to add the last 5 brown. Now we're going to add 6 blue. Take your end and go through all those beads. We're going to add 6. Take the other end and go through and pull. And now at this point, this is kind of loose, so we're going to pull these down. We're going to add 4 blue. You know what? I'm going to add 5 blue. Okay, I got another bead and put it on there, so we're going to do 5 instead of 4. I think that looks a little better. So we're going to go through all those beads. Okay, and now we're going to add 1 orange, 1 pink, 1 red, 1 pink, and 1 orange. And we're going to tie this off. Go ahead and cut that. Okay, and now you're going to want to cut a string the size of your wrist. And we're going to take that string and go through all these beads here. And I'm going to do the rainbow. So the next color is yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. And I'm just going to repeat that. Okay, I think this will be my last. Maybe a couple more beads. Okay, that looks like a good size. We'll tie this off. And that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.